G'day folks, Sean here from Air Photography. So just a quick little video for you today. With a recent firmware update to the DJI Mimo app, they introduced a new feature called share codes. In its simplest form, share codes allow you to create presets that include all your different edits, color grading, different effects and filters that you apply to the footage. That allows you to easily edit footage on the fly just by tapping the preset. But you also have the option of uploading and creating a share code. The share code then allows you to use that code across multiple devices. So if you're going to be editing on your iPad and then perhaps a phone, you can easily apply those pre-made edits. You can even share that code with others if you want to share some of your color grading and editing techniques. So in this video, I'm just going to demonstrate quickly how that works. And this is compatible with a wide variety of DJI cameras. So I'm going to demonstrate on my phone here. I've powered on my Action 6, and I'm going to go ahead and launch the DJI Mimo app, and we'll connect to the Action 6. So it's bringing up footage here that's stored on the Action 6. So I'm just going to bring one of these files in. So we've got this video file here. And up at the top here, you can see we have something called editing presets. When we tap on that, you can see we have 5 slots in which we can save different presets. They're labeled C1, C2, C3, C4, and C5. It also gives us an option to save a preset and to import a preset share code, which I'll show you how that works here in a second. So we can go through and make our edit. I'm going to enable HDR for this video. Perhaps we'll add a filter to it. And we'll just adjust some of the exposure. I'm not really doing anything here. This is just more for demonstration. So we've made our edits to our video file, and say we really like how it looks and we want to be able to apply that to other videos that we edit later on. We simply go to our edit presets and we tap on Save Edit Preset. Now here it allows us to save it. You can just leave it as C3 if you want, leave it blank, but it does allow you to put in a custom name, but only up to 6 characters. So I'm just going to call this one Edit 3. So now I've got my edit, Edit 2, and Edit 3. In its simplest form, we can just use it just like that. So now I can bring up another video, and I can tap on my editing presets, and tap on that Edit 3, and you can see it's applied the effect. So that's all you need to do if you're just going to be using it for your own personal use on the same device. But say you want to use it on a different device, or you want to share it with a friend. Perhaps you want to share some of your color grading options. You can easily save it as a shareable code. Again, we're going to go to our editing presets. You can see we have these little share icons off to the side of it. So we're going to tap on that. It's going to load a bit of a preview of what it's going to look like. And then it has an option there that says upload and share. What it's going to do is create a shareable code. So I'm just going to tap on upload and share code. So now you can see we have this code, but the thing to keep in mind, this code is only valid for a limited time. You can see it says the code is valid until November 27th of 2026. You can copy it and then paste it in a chat or send it to whoever you want to send it to. So now I'll show you how to import a code. If you've sent a code over to a friend or a friend has sent a code over to you, you notice here I have emptied out my presets. But all I have to do is tap on Import Preset Share Code. You can see we have an empty spot there. So we just have to type in that number, whatever number is sent to you, the code that is sent to you. In my case here, I'm going to type in WBTN6V. Tap OK. You can see there it's importing the code. And there we go. So now we have that share code that can be sent from anybody that's going to have all their edits baked right into it. You can see it's now been added to my list there. So just a nice simple way to share some of your color grading and editing. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and found it had value. Thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.